People don dey lament about the rainpour wey don flood the whole of Lekki and Marina. As e be, all those kind place don turn to swimming pool. All of us know say this kind thing na regular thing during rainy season, but e be like say this one even worse. And na there people dey reason say this whole thing wey dis people don dey complain about, abeg wetin our Lagos state government dey do about am? Because dem dey reason say before rainy season go reach, then dis people go don dey work about am. But this one I no sure say dem do anything about. And as e be like say this rain even get part. The rain heavy so tey if una see as people car dey swim, water full people car, people in fact dey enter people house, una go surprise say na the Lagos wey una know be this. But people abeg make una follow me watch.
But my friend now will say make my anyway. I hope it will extend to shit. Or is it?
We're reaching our own. See that blue car in our car park?
That one is gone as well.
Now it's not gone yet, but
yeah,
getting there.
Hey, Lagos, see water, God. Hey, see Lagos. See what the bag is. Hey, water, see Lagos.
This is the current situation in Lekki as we speak. But look at it's buried. And can you see? We're driving and look at water in our car. Look. This is happening live here in Lekki. See? Living. Water enter your car.
Now wow, Aproko ni bàjẹ́, ó ti ń bàjẹ́ lọ. Una don dey see say the thing don dey spoil, dey go small. Una go talk say una dey do drainage. Still, the time when I go do that road, na that time wey be say rain go come fall, dey flood everywhere. But this one, I don dey reason am say, if na our drainage system dey cause this problem, government people suppose don notice this one, start to dey work on top am, because e come be like say they just dey listen. And most of them, if na dey see am, most of them, their offices na this island side na e dey. E mean say even the mainland, e even don dey pay pass all these Lekki places. I no know where na canoe they go use till they convert themselves, they travel, because I no even know how to want to do am. Almighty Lekki wey we know say na there all these celebrity, Wizkid and the rest, na there they dey stay. But the thing wey dey shock me, upon say rain dey fall every year, then these people dey complain, they dey renew their house rent, they no dey comot, na there they go still stay. They go dey complain, rain full here, rain full there, but still una no dey move. E mean say una dey okay for this kind place, una like am as una dey there. Because if you know, if you really pain, na go don pack una load comot from this side. But this rain flooding, abeg, no be only even Nigeria dey happen for. If na dey listen to news, the thing dey happen for the whole world. And e be like say this year rain e over heavy. Make I no talk say heavy, because so many people places sef don even dey flooded. And this kind matter we no fit question God now, because God know wetin make the rain dey fall. So na only am go fit answer am. So abeg, people wey dey this Lekki side, na una know as this thing dey take affect una. Make una dey safe. Make una, I no know where una wan go hide put, where be say water no go touch na. Make una dey safe. And for people, I know say some people sef they dey enjoy this one, because na weather for two. They go dey inside now. They talk say rain don fall now. They go dey do things. Make una dey do am small sha. My people, I hear this one. I want to make I bring am come. Make una sef use una ear hear wetin dey happen. Anything when I feel about this whole matter, I just talk now. Make no forget to write them inside the comment section. Make no forget to like and also share this video. I go see you for our next video. Heavy rain and flood just kill about 19 people inside Germany. The way this natural disaster just dey happen nowadays inside this my brother, I can't dey wonder on a short thing I never go offend Baba God. For them to do all these kind of things. But we gotta say, this kind of rain, it destroys so many houses. In fact, it destroys so many properties. Even the people where they call as emergency workers, make na quite help them save life. Then these people, some people even die for this thing. To show and say this thing really strong. My people, I beg, make na follow me watch. kind things when they happen, I can't the reason say it be like say our weather don't change. It be like say Nigerian weather, it don't enter abroad weather now don't go enter Niger. Because as it be like this kind of rain where I don't even understand. Behind a rain or behind a waiting. Because we even got to say this rain heavy so that it even break their river bank. I beg this one not be spiritual rain. Rain will be saying go heavy so carry motor, destroy house. I want even the reason I say maybe when people now know say they don't use better cement and block. Maybe now because now stick where they use to build there. Maybe now this one join carry house. But this rain it they carry motor. It they carry big things. I can't talk about it means that this rain serious. So I beg my people in the Germany make na day safe or make na day inside house. Because this one I will gotta say aside people where they even die, some people don't miss. It's not in Nigeria now we go reason and say maybe bandits don't kidnap some people, don't carry them, go put somewhere. But this was now abroad and the reason I say rain don't carry them, these people go to rain for so I don't even go kill them. Now I make now some people they complain say they don't miss. But when I say in people sharp, they don't bring out emergency units. They don't bring out phone number. We say people go call in case maybe this natural disaster don't affect you for some way. They don't already bring out all this strategy come outside. But me say friend make I no lie, I reason I'm saying all this kind of rain. You say na Nigeria, this kind of rain like this, people they enter am. Even market two day go enter, chook leg, go they buy things. But I don't say because Oyinbo people they not too strong like that. You know their body not too, they don't get body for hard work. They don't do kakaraka things. All this one I enjoy make rain go fit carry person go fling and put for one side. Because I just say that no, small children for Nigeria they go chook leg inside this water. But this one for them na natural disaster. Na a big thing for them because it don't even kill person. The fact say it kill person self now they pay me. I beg go make na dey safe. Behind na inside house na go hide because this one na it be like say on emergency people say they no fit help on. Behind na police, behind na helicopter they go use one take they drag people out of this and known as they want to drop. Because if I watch the video, water don't even they enter people's house. Person window say water don't they enter. This one don't turn Africa finish. Now the kind things where they happen for Africa now they happen for here. So this one I know be a heavy rain. I been a disaster. I know even I want to call. But I beg make na day safe. If na no say the place don't make na just inside in a house. Hide for somewhere where be say na no say even if the water carry the house, na go still day safe. My people I beg I hear this one inside Germany. I want to make a bring and come make na safe is na here. Here what it happen for that side. Anything when I fear about this one matter I just talk now. Make na not forget to write them inside the comment section. Make na not forget to like and also share this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.